This is Penny from Penny's Infinite Jewelry. And I got some jewelry to show you today. You can see my background is changed because I am moving my tiny little studio here out of my bedroom and into my office that I just created for my jewelry sales, my blogging, everything that I'm going to be doing. That's fun. So it gets my main desk out of the front room where everybody is chatting and talking and watching TV. And then right here adjacent to it, this used to be a huge walk-in closet, and it is huge. So I had my husband move the door out of our master bedroom so that we would have privacy, because people would walk through. We have 2 bathrooms, but people would walk through there to take a shower. The other bathroom has my jet tub. So people would walk through our bedroom all hours of the night, and these people are my kids. And I've still got my 20-year-old and my 16-year-old, and I've got my 12-year-old, and then my son's fiance. He's getting married April 10th. So now the bathroom will come right through my office. So they can go right from the living room to the bathroom and not have to go around my bedroom. Anywho, all right, let's get started. I bought this jewelry for $25, $24 on eBay, and I believe it said vintage estate sales or something like that. I don't remember what it said, but it said something. All right, are we ready? And before we get started, I've got to tell you what happened to me this week. I was going through, as we're moving rooms now that I'm mobile, I don't have to have my crutches or my rolly scooter. I do have my boot still, but I can walk without anything, my back's hurting because the boot's bigger. So I'll walk with this wobble now, like I'm pregnant or something, because one foot's shorter than the other. But anyhow, I can actually get around and kind of clean my house up a little bit because it's driving me crazy. So I was going through some old bills and stuff and burning. My husband had a fire outside, so I was burning. And I went through this one that said Blue Cross and Blue Shield, Florida Blue. And I'm like, I haven't had that since 2019, but I don't know. I usually don't even open things because I just figured this is what your health bills were. Opened it up and there was $177 check in there from August of last year. I said, dear Lord, all those days we didn't have money. There was money sitting in this junk pile of bills. But anyhow, I used that to move my washer and dryer. I have to have a set of 2 because there's so many of us. So he's moving it out of my kitchen because when I start doing my blogs and taking pictures, yada, 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 I don't want a washer and dryer in my pictures. So I use my money for that. I told my husband when I opened it, I'm like, wow, this is like 3 weeks worth of blue boxes. I did get my blue boxes this week, got 2 of them, but it's only because they had doubled the shipment this time, and it was like 3 after before I finally got it. It was, kept glitching again, saying my cart was wrong, and I was like, ah! All right, so up first is this beautiful necklace, and I hope you can see me. I'm gonna move you closer. I do have lights in here, but I'm gonna have to put more lighting, so I hope this video will be okay. But it looks like leopard skin, leopard print, what do you call it? And they're like, I guess they represent gold and silver, but really pretty. None of this was knotted up. It all came in individual bags, which I thought was kind of cool. And this is something I was going to show you that I ordered for like $7 online. And it holds your earrings, because I never know what to do with clip-on earrings. So this is something I purchased this week. This took the long road from China. I bought this for $2 on an auction, and it's brand new, and it's a Betsy Johnson, get this closer, a Betsy Johnson brooch, and I thought that was pretty. Have any of you had any experience with buying this Betsy Johnson stuff and all like this from the China sellers? Because there's no shipping, it's just $2. I'm like, we can't even ship it for that in America. But this came in a little customs pack, and just want to show you that. Now we will proceed. This all came in this lot for $24. Got this here brooch. It looks like some of the stones are missing. So guess that'll go into a junk pile, or we call it please tell me what harvest means. I keep seeing a harvest pile, a harvest lot. I don't know what that means, but I call it crafting. This is I know these are old, but this is a bracelet, but you can bend it to anything you want. And that bracelet ain't going on my hand, I'm telling you. But that's what that is. It's a bracelet, or you can make it an earring. But I don't know the name of this, but I've had these before to where they're crazy. This looks like Brighton. I can't tell if it is Brighton, but it looks like it. And I mean, everything in here was super cute. See that? I'm fixing to drop it. But that is cute. I don't know if it's Brighton or not because it doesn't have the B anywhere. But anyhow, it'll be Brighton inspired. Here's another necklace. It looks like it would be a Christmas necklace. But I mean, like, it's all well made. It's not like junk. It's really nice. This is just a silver bracelet. They're really pretty. Like, whoever made this jewelry went to, like, it's stretched, but it also is a toggle. This is a toggle. And for y'all that already know what a toggle is, there's some that may not know, but that is a cutie patootie. Let me see. I think this is old. My grandbaby, my 3-year-old grandbaby will say, don't touch that. That's Gigi's and it's old vintage. But this is a JJ and it's a tennis racket. That matches the necklace. I just realized that. The animal print necklace. This is a bracelet that's got different writings on it. I don't know if that's Chinese. I hope I'm bright enough in here. I'm going to get my husband to put brighter, because this is probably where I'm doing my videos from now on. I got an earring right here. I'm going to lay it down, show it to you, then I can lay it down. I have a lot that I bought, was 12 pounds, and it's going to take a few videos to go through, but I'm going to show it to you. But I did go through it and throw away all the junk, and it was pretty interesting. This is dolphins and dolphins. It's a dolphin necklace. Pretty cool, and it's magnetic. I love the magnetic stuff because it's easy to, especially with arthritis, to get it put on. Okie dokie, what do we have here? This is a necklace. This is a gold tone necklace, and I feel like I'm not as bright because I don't have that light shining in, but I'll sell that. All right. This is Best, B-E-S-T, and I have that in my Penny's Infinite Jewelry on Macari and at Macari, Poshmark, and eBay, but this is Best. I know that's probably old because the other one was vintage or old. This looks like a cross and heart necklace. There's no name, but it's silver. It's really cute. I mean, even if you can't get a fortune, I only paid $24 all this jewelry. This is cutie patootie. It says Mom. That'd be good for Mother's Day, wouldn't it? Mom. So this week I sold a cross pendant for $12 plus $4 shipping on eBay. I sold a gold necklace for $125, a 10-karat gold rope necklace. I sold a little pin that was, I think I sold that last week, but it's a boot. It was like a Christmas boot. And then I sold a little bitty charm. It was sterling silver, and it was old. It was old. It was about this big, and it was like for April birthday, the little girl. Probably showed you that in one of my videos. Okay, here's another American flag. I get so many America, USA stuff, and I really don't know if I should lot that together or if people buy American flags like that. This is cute. It's a little beaded earring, beaded beaded, then my jewelry keeps open. Beaded ring. Let me see. Oh, it's a nothing now. It broke. Oh well. Something else I'll have to sweep up. I love my husband and he's been amazing. Bingo, we got another match. Through all of this with me not being able to walk. But men do not know how to clean like women. Took me like all day just scrubbing my 2 bathrooms because OCD like that. Okay, this is from Best. This is from Best. I didn't even know that. Well, it says B-E-S-T. I would suppose that's, it says, I wish I could, I've got that jewel microscope thing, but I don't video on my phone, on my computer. I video on my phone. So I don't know how to use it on this. Actually, I don't know how to use it at all, but I did get my presidium checker, and we will play around with that. So y'all are going to be seeing a lot of me. But I have people asking, when are you going to put up another video? I love doing these videos for you. This looks like a match to what I had already had. It's a necklace. It's a match. Now these, I've just seen 2 of them. Let me hold them off for a second, because I'm fixing to figure out what they are. This is a beautiful Easter necklace. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That should have already been up for Easter. That is too cute. Okay, these. I thought these were pendants, but there's 2 of them. Like something that would slide on a necklace. And I'm thinking they're clip-on earrings. Look, they're magnetic. My husband hates when I wear my glasses like that. Magnetic. And you could wear them solid. Looks like. That's what I'm supposing they are, because there's 2 of them. And see, that would give you earrings. And I mean, they're on there pretty sturdy. And they probably are vintage or old. See those? Cute. It's like I need a light right here where I'm showing you pictures. A little bit left. A little bit left. Here's, and please don't look at my fingernails. They're horrible. My mom and dad's camping, and I just went down there with my daughter because they're camping right in my town. So so this morning there is a big huge thrift shop that used to be a Bold Badcock store. So that's how big it is, and they're closing. So they had everything free today, and I can't drive. What a flippin' mess! I can't drive. So I called my daughter, which has 3 kids. I'm like, come get mama. We're going to the thrift shop. So she come got me, and then I got the chair I'm sitting in. I got 2 of these. They're kind of vintage chairs. They're yellow, and they got the sides on them. But I'm going to redo them for my blog in denim, because I do things in denim. And I'll do a video of it. And then I got some picture frames with pretty pictures in them, though. But I want them to make jewelry DIY pictures and stuff. Okay, this is a football right there. And these are pretty. These are very pretty. These are earrings. See that? They're earrings. So we went down there and I was playing with my grandbabies. And even though I washed my hands, I feel like my fingernails are grimy. But my little grandson, he's almost 2. He loves picking up rocks and picking up sticks. And before we went down there, we went to the thrift shop, and my daughter, there's a salon next door. And it's hard to do anything with 3 children. Believe me, I had 6, I know. And you just, I hope you don't go insane. You know, maybe I am talking. I feel like I'm talking to myself here. Just joking. As long as y'all can't answer me back, unless we're in the chat, we're okay. But she wanted to run next door and get her little boy, which is almost 2, haircut, because his hair was in his eyes. And so she said, what do you want to do, Mama? Because I can't drive. I can't do much of anything. I said, I'll sit in this little playroom in this thrift shop with the baby, which was attached to me here in a papoose, and with my 3-year-old granddaughter. I said, we'll just sit here. So when I come out, I'm always joking at thrift shops. And when I go out, I'm an extrovert. So I love, I'm going to put this back in here. I love talking to people. I'm like, y'all didn't know y'all were having a babysit me, did you? So, anyhow, this is all for this video, and I will make another one. Hold on. Before we call it quits, I've got more jewelry. I forgot about this jewelry. I went to a yard sale, and this lady, she was 89 years old. My husband took me Friday, 89 years old, and she still has, like, she sells jewelry. So she does it at flea market. She does it at, shows and stuff. And she was selling a whole bunch of jewelry. And I'm like, it was kind of pricey if you didn't. I could still make a profit with it, but if you didn't have a lot of money at the yard sale that day, then you would think it was really pricey. But I gave her $5 a piece for the rings, and this is silver. It does not say silver in it anywhere. She told me it was silver, and this stone is something because it makes my presidium checker do weird things. But this is silver. It's not marked. You'd never thought it was silver, but when she purchased it, the lady told her it was silver. This one here was gold. Gold, no, this is silver. 9.25, I gave her $5 for that. Hold it up there a minute. And purple is amethyst, I do believe. But that was only glass, I did check it. That didn't come from her yard sale. This is the one I was showing you from her yard sale. This is the one I paid $5 for. And this comes out something when I mark it, and did the first time with the presidium checker, and then it did the second. This is the one that's silver. And it's, I don't know what they call these, college ring or whatever, but it's really pretty, but it is silver. It is not marked silver, and where I got that other ring from. Scratch that one. She said this one's silver penny. So I got those two. I got 3 rings. I don't know what happened to. There's one. This was an Avon. I gave her $5 for this, but it's a nice Avon ring. I just thought it was pretty. It's gold colored. And Avon does do fine jewelry. And then I got this one. This is the one that was gold filled. It said 14 karat gold filled, but it's beautiful. And I thought, $5? Hey, I need to back up here to show you the rings, don't I? I gotta get this lighting right. See, these are the rings I bought. I bought 5. I don't know what happened to the other one. These are the rings. If I find the other one, I will show you. Nope, here it is. Got the 5th ring. So I spent $25 on rings. This is the 5th one. This one was the one I do with my glasses. Let me see. Nope, this one's $9.25. Everything I bought was silver. And she said a guy had just come in and spent $50, but he was going to take it right down to the gold shop and cash it in and get his money. This was silver. These were $10 a piece. She had a bunch of silver necklaces, silver bracelets. I didn't have a whole lot of money to spend on jewelry that day because I've kind of been buying a lot. But I talked her into doing, or her husband, it was before she got there, two of these for $15. So that's $7.50 each. And then I got this one for $10. So I spent, I think it was like $50 right here. This is $50. And I really would not have originally done that, but it was silver. It was all silver, and I know what I can get for silver. All right, so this is going to conclude this video, but I still got all this stuff that I didn't show you the other day from the fun one. And then I have some thread up jeans. All right, thank you. God bless you. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share. Jesus tells us to share. All right, this is Penny. Bye.